Woo!
That's a beauty.
Oh,
That
that's
one
a
went
rainbow.
Really high.
Huh?
That one went really high.
Look at this.
Ba't yung rainbow na wala? Ang daming tao guys, oh. Oops! Oops! Oh! Ayan yung rainbow lumabas. Lumalabas siya kapag malakas yung impact ng tubig. Dito lang yan sa Kiama Blowhole. Oops! Yep, yep.
Sometimes there's just mist and the other times
Yep. Ganda oh. Again, again, again. Yeah.